Outfitting new patio in Dubai or Miami means fighting relentless sun, humidity, and salt. European luxury brands will charge to you $50,000 for a patio set just to pay for their showroom overhead. Hi, I am Matui, founder of GLOBUS. Today we are inside a high-end Foshan factory that engineers outdoor furniture built to survive our hard-hast climates. We are talking solid American teak, aerospace-grade aluminum, and olefin ropes. Let me show you how smart luxury buyers are fitting their outdoor spaces without the massive markup. Let's go.
Well friends, everyone's favorite Minotti. This model is called the Quadrado sofa.
Quadrado is what Minotti calls the next generation of outdoor lounging. Its modular design allows you to configure the sofa to fit your space perfectly, whether it's an L shape, a semicircle, or a central island on your terrace. Each module is fully independent, making it easy to rearrange the entire setup to suit the season, the occasion, or simply your mood. It's this versatility that has made Quadrado one of Minotti's most sought-after outdoor collections.
And what can we say about this collection? The price in Europe for just this single modular piece, this little square, is $7,000. And for this whole sofa, for the entire set you see in the frame right now, it can range from $50,000 to $70,000. In China, the prices are much nicer, so whether it's worth overpaying such crazy money is up to you to decide. Be smart, buy all of this in China. Let's take a look at the armchair from the same collection.
The frame is made from cast aluminum, durable enough to withstand years outdoors without warping or losing its shape. The olefin weave creates the impression of a fully upholstered chair, even though the structure itself remains remarkably lightweight. That's one of Minotti's signature design principles, a substantial, luxurious presence combined with surprisingly light construction.
The price of this armchair in Europe is about $8,000, but here it's only $500. How do you like that difference? Let's take a look at this set from Restoration Hardware, the Santiago collection. The materials used here are teak wood, rattan, and soft cushions made of fabric that is highly moisture resistant. As for comfort, the cushions are quite deep, which I really like. It seems like it's designed so that when you come in, say from the beach or the pool, you can just kick your feet up and it's really comfortable. How do you like this set? Let's check out another great set from Restoration Hardware, the Byron collection.
There's no unnecessary ornamentation here, just the clean rhythm of vertical teak lines. This collection fits perfectly into contemporary architecture, whether it's a loft, a minimalist home, or an interior built around the concept of quiet luxury. The cushion fabric is specially treated to repel water, allowing rain to bead up and roll off the surface without leaving marks. In many cases, the cushions are ready to use again within an hour.
I really love the look of this ribbed surface. It's natural South American teak. As for the comfort of the cushions themselves, very comfy, very soft, and yet everything looks so elegant. What do you think? This table is from the factory's own collection. Personally, I really love this table because as soon as you sit down, you feel how relaxing the atmosphere is. You immediately picture yourself on the seashore in some really cool place, sitting with family or friends and having a great time in a relaxed setting. I also really love this chair because look, it's also made of teak and it uses olefin synthetic rope. It's highly resistant to all kinds of moisture and wear, and it doesn't lose its color or shape. Really cool stuff.
This table is designed to be the centerpiece of gatherings. Not for a quick breakfast for two, but for long, relaxed dinners outdoors. The olefin rope used on the chairs was originally developed for the marine industry. It resists salt air, won't fade after a season in the sun, and retains its color for years. Run your hand across it and you'd swear it was a premium woven textile. Sourcing premium outdoor furniture internationally is what GLOBUS does best. We offer a complete turnkey solution. We manage the factory presuming, perform Rejoice on-site quality control here in Foshan, and handle global shipping straight to your door. To make your planning effortless, we offer an investment 3D visualization service. We will digitally recreate your patio and place these exact furniture pieces inside, so you know perfectly how it fits your space before spending a single dollar.
Set from the Restoration Hardware at Bronte collection.
This collection is perfect for those who want their terrace to feel like a luxury retreat somewhere in Tuscany or on the island of Capri. There's nothing trendy or short-lived about it. This is the kind of design that will look just as relevant 10 years from now as it does today. Teak, light-toned upholstery and balanced proportions. A formula that worked in the 1960s and still works beautifully today.
This set is a factory design. Look at what a large sofa this is. And overall, I tried the sofa. I have no complaints about it in general, but I want to show you this armchair. Look, this generally looks quite unusual. It's very light. It uses aluminum for the frame and olefin. But when you sit down, well, at least for someone tall, I am 1.83 m. It didn't feel very comfortable to me because your knees end up raised. There is no soft area for the head. It feels a bit strange. To be honest, I would not buy a chair like this.
This set was fully developed by the factory. And to be honest, I like this collection a lot more already. Especially this armchair. It's so wide and absolutely perfect for people of any build whatsoever. Your arms rest very naturally and it's super comfortable. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. This set is from Minotti, the Riviera collection. To be honest, it looks really nice, but as far as comfort goes, I wouldn't call it comfortable because your arms, like in this chair, if you put them like this, they just rest really unnaturally and like way too high. So overall, I don't know, it's a matter of taste, you have to see for yourself, but in my opinion, I'm just not a fan of the comfort. Let me know in the comments if you're already familiar with this set and maybe you do find it comfortable, and if so, tell me why. Guys, and now a secret bonus for you. Let's just walk through this showroom and show you the models, because in one video, if we talk about each model for a long time, it's impossible to show everything, but many clients ask, what else do you have? So let's go, I'll just show you. Yes, this showroom might not look as fancy as some of our suppliers, but why do we work with them? The most important thing is that the price is very good, the quality is great, and the models are in demand. So overall, we are 100% happy with this supplier. Let's take a look. I've already shown you this model. Personally, I really like it. I think it's one of my top models in terms of comfort and appearance. Take a look at the table models I haven't shown you yet. They have a lot of round, square, rectangular, and very long ones. So there are a lot of configurations. So ask for all the prices, contact us using the links in the description, and our managers will estimate your project so you know how much it costs. Also take a look at these sets with small sofas, small lounge areas. I think they look really nice too. They use materials that will last a very long time, aluminum, wear-resistant materials. So everything here is thought out to the smallest detail. Yes, look, these sets, for example, we haven't shown yet. This one, I'd say, is also a classic garden set. A lot of brands make similar ones. And what you see in the frame right now are well-known brands. But there are, for example, brands whose designs are created entirely by the factory and you won't find anything like them anywhere else. For example, this table is made of tempered glass, which is very unusual. And I know some clients who love and even ask for this material. This set is made entirely of teak, natural teak. I think it has a very warm, pleasant atmosphere. It makes you want to sit down and have a meal outdoors at a table like this. This one is rectangular with oval edges. Over here, look, is an all aluminum table. Very light, very durable, kind of simple, I guess, in a way, but it's extremely reliable.
Take a look. Yeah, we showed you these Minotti Riviera sets. I should also mention that they make a lot of bar stools here at this factory. So if you'd like to set up a bar area at your villa or in your yard, this is a pretty good option. Let's go inside. Look, they have furniture with this beautiful weaving here, which is also very interesting. I'd say it's a classic style of outdoor furniture. As you can see, there are just so many models. For example, look at this set here. A lounge area like this, look very comfortable. You can lie down on both sides in a U shape. We've already shown you this set. Let's head inside over there. Look, right here we have extendable tables. You can easily make these tables smaller or larger with a simple motion. And they also have some very long tables here.
For example, I can show you a table right now that's really easy to spin and turn into a longer one. Take a look at this. There we go. Done. And the same thing back.
Basically, you need to watch your fingers a bit, but if you hold it from underneath, nothing will ever happen to your hands. Also, look here. Sun loungers, yeah, sun beds, as they're called. Also, a very wide selection. They've even set up an area with sand here, so you can get the full feel of it.
And honestly, I really like this set as well. Just look at how beautiful it is. I also love the color palette and the materials they've chosen here, and it's such a welcoming dining setup. It really makes you want to sit down and enjoy a meal. So friends, there are plenty of options to choose from. If you're interested in a specific model, get in touch and we'll send you everything you need. Smart luxury means investing in materials that last a lifetime, not marketing budget. Click the link in the description to get a custom turnkey sourcing quote for your patio project. This was Matt Vey with GLOBUS. Subscribe and I'll see you with your next video.